Welcome back to another Shopify tutorial, and today is a short tutorial about updating Favicon. So what is Favicon? As you can see my screen, I zoomed in and that's our favicon. If you want to add a custom favicon, I'll show you guys how to in this tutorial. So let's jump into the backend. So I'll go to the backend by navigating to /admin. And from there, I'll click on online store. And from there, click on customize. And from customize, go down below to theme settings. And in theme settings, you will see the option of favicon. And click on that. Now select the image. Make sure to have it 32 by 32 pixel. So it's not heavy, it's really lightweight when you have 32 by 32 pixel. I already have a favicon image on my desktop save and also uploaded it here. So I'll just click on that. You can upload your new favicon from here. Just click upload and select any of the file from your desktop. After that, click on select and hit save. Now let's go preview our website from front end to see if we have our favicon updated. Here we go. Our favicon is updated. Let me zoom in for you guys. So that's our favicon which we added. That's it for the tutorial. It was a short tutorial for you guys to learn about Shopify Dawn theme. Let me know in the comment section below what tips and tricks you would like to learn about Shopify, Dawn theme, or any other theme with a Shopify. I would love to help you guys for your Shopify journey. Have a great day.